Welcome friends, welcome to Divine Designs 24. My name is Tammy and we're going to be doing a Valentine craft today with resin. And we're going to be using this as the back behind this shadow box that I have. And so that'll be on the back. But first, we're going to put some stickers on here and get some resin on. So let me get this all ready and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with resin made up. I got the red glitter out here to put around the edges. And let me get my gloves back on here. And I got it all taped up in the back. I'll show you that. So I taped it all up really good on the back. So that way, if there is any leaks where the glue didn't get, then it's not going to run all over. And this will go on the back. And I have, let's see, here. I have some stickers here to go on the front. And I should have left my gloves off for that. So I'm not sure what all stickers I'm going to use. Let me get my gloves back off because I can't use these stickers with my gloves on. And the stickers will stick really good to the glass, so we won't have to worry about that. So let's see. I have all kinds of stickers here, so we'll just see what we can use. Let's see. We have that. I think I just want the love. So these are just window clings. So they're really easy to use. They cling to glass really, really well. So I just want to make sure I got this straight. And I see something on my glass. Let me get my glass cleaned off here. I'm not sure what that was, but I had already cleaned the glass all off, but make sure there's nothing on the glass. I'll clean the back of the glass really good before we put the backing on it. But let's see. We want this to go like. One nice thing about window clings is you can peel them off and reposition if you need to. But I gotta hold it up here so I can see if it's. Let's make sure it's straight. All right. Make sure we have all the air bubbles out and it's all nice and clean, or the resin will not stick to it. We'll get fish eyes. Okay. Make sure the air bubbles. And dry it off there. Sometimes you flip it over, look at the back side. Yep, I don't see any air bubbles. Good. All right, let me make sure I got it straight. Okay, that looks good. And let's see, what else can we put on here? I have different things here. Make sure there's no air bubbles. Go. And can do this on this side. And then we'll be able to see the cute gnomes in the background, because we're going to be putting glitter around the edges. So I guess I want to move this down a little bit because we'll be putting glitter around the edges. See what's nice about the window clings? You can move those if you need to. There we go. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. I don't want it too busy. I'm just going to put a thin layer on here with a little bit of glitter on the edges, because we don't want too much to start out with. And then I'll fill it up to the edge when we're done. But to start out with, I just want to do enough to cover the bottom to hold the clings down. You put too much on there, then it heats it up, and the window clings can raise, and we don't want that. We don't want them to move off the glass. So we will put a little bit on here to start. It's going to show some bubbles, but those bubbles will just all disappear. So we're just going to spread this around. Because it's going to look so pretty when we get this all on here. Because see, it's just going to be like a glue over top the window clings. It works really, really well. And what's nice when you use the clear glue, when you put the resin on here, the clear glue just disappears. You don't see it. So that's what's so nice about using the clear glue to seal everything, because it just disappears. Okay. And then we're going to put red glitter around the edges. Let's get this down in the center first. Because we have to have the red glitter. It's Valentine's. Okay, make sure there's no fish eyes. Can't have no fish eyes. No fish eyes allowed. Okay, put that over there. Now we're going to get some red glitter in here, and we're going to put those around the edges. Glitter mixed up here. Look at that. And yes, some of it will float into the center, but that's okay. Glitter is not going to hurt anything. We want the glitter around the edges. That's going to be our frame. We have to have lots and lots of glitter. Okay. Now let's just drop it around the edges. Because this will be our frame. And then we'll have another top coat that goes over this when it's all done. Hope you can see this whole thing here. Let's scoot this up. There you go. Oops. I have a little bit of cleanup to do when I'm done, but that's okay. We'll get it. Sometimes I paint the frames, but this time I decided just to use red glitter and then just have the wood as the main frame. Oh, that is going to be so, so pretty. Look at that. I am loving this. Okay, I don't think I'm going to do much more than this. I will watch this for a little while, make sure that it's not spreading out too much. I might have to move it where it belongs, but I think that's all I'm going to put on here. And then we'll just keep an eye on it. Let me see here. Find a thing here. And we'll just keep these to the edges. Try to fill that all in. And I'll let this sit for about 24 hours. I'll let it sit for about, oh, probably 5 or 6 hours. Put the next coat on it. And then let it sit for 24 hours. So there'll just be a clear coat that will go on top of this. But I am loving this. This looks so pretty. The frame is going to be perfect. Okay, we're going to let this sit. Let it do its thing. I'll just keep an eye on it. I'm going to have to go through and clean these spots off that I got some resin on. And just as simple as that, it's clean. That's cleaned up. But we will be back in just a bit. See how it looks. And we'll put another, just another thin coat on top of this. Oops. So this is going to be so cute. Get those bubbles out of there. Those bubbles will all gone and it'll be crystal clear. Okay, we will be right back. Okay, we're back. It is finished. Isn't this beautiful? I just haven't got the back glued on it yet, but that is what it's gonna look like. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? I just have to glue the back on. I have the ring light off, so I'm hoping you can see it okay, because I do have my ceiling fan light on. But I made some little hearts with leftovers. And this is one I did. And it turned out pretty. Look at those red sparkles in it. And then there's this one here that I poured backwards. I did it this way by mistake. And I thought, well, that's okay. We'll just use it as like a little, I don't know why I had it upside down. I'll just have to trim that up a little bit. But look, it just makes like a little catch-all. Look at that. Make the little cup. So, no real mistakes. But it did turn out very pretty. Okay, there we go. I'm going to glue this on the back of this. But this is all done. It turned out beautiful. Okay, well, that's my another Valentine project, and it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I want to thank you guys for coming and watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That helps me out tremendously, and you'll get more projects like this. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye now.